Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you something that's commonly misconcepted because a lot of people may think that this is for an idiot, but actually a lot of people don't know how to do this, as it turns out. I'm going to be showing you how to make a really nice glass of lemonade, so it'll be nice and tasty for everyone. So first what you need is a lemon, a knife, a small chopping board because it's easier because then you have less to wash, there's not much to cut, and a juicer or an electric one if you have one, some sparkly water or fizzy water, a jug, some honey and some sugar. First what we need to do is we need to cut the lemon over here, and you preferably want to use a knife that's shaped like this to make your life a little bit easier in situations like these. So you only really need half of a lemon. Maybe we might need the whole one, we'll see. Because it depends on how juicy the lemons are obviously. So then we have to squeeze it, everyone knows how to do that. Just pop it on and then rotate from side to side. Now you need to make sure you get all of that juice out there to make the sparkling water as tasty as possible, because you don't want any waste, neither do you. You don't want to waste any juice. So then we have that's really nice and squeezed out. Just check, yeah, nothing's coming out of that. I'll put that in the bin in a moment. Now we see how much juice is left. That is not enough, it's not an adequate amount. So then we need to get the other one. As I said earlier, push on and rotate. The good thing about this piece of equipment is that all the juice and like the non-juicy bits, so the pips and all that, it all stays behind in the net. And then you do this. So that's nearly done there, just get the last few bits out, squeeze it, nothing's coming, put that in the bin too. So there we go, now you have your pot of juice, which you need to pour in first. It's usually a lot easier if you do that. There we go, in you go. And that should be enough. That's nearly all of it that's gone in there. Now you need to open your sparkly water. Oh, hold on a minute, I've got my hands all lemony. There we go. Oh, done that. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Right, it was quite a struggle opening that because my hands were wet. Then we put the water in. I say you need quite a lot really because it depends how many people are going to drink this. I've put all of it in. Say that's enough. Then next, don't do this before because it usually doesn't work. You need to get the honey. There we go. Here that is the honey. I've got Miele Millefiori. That's Italian. Okay. So we get a spoon, which I was clever enough to lose somewhere. Yeah, I'll just use this one from the sugar pot. So then we get that in. I'd say that's not enough. You need a good bit. This spoon's a bit rubbish. There we go. Honey's healthy, so don't be afraid to put too much in, because none's ever too much. Well, I suppose if we put too much then it might be not that nice, but there we go. You have to mix it till it all comes off because you don't want to have any left over on the spoon. It's still on there, this might take a while. You just have to mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it. So what you might want to do at this point, I didn't anticipate this, however you might want to get a bigger spoon just to take that off. Here we have it. I've also got a little spoon because I forgot that earlier. It's best if you remember all your things, but I sometimes don't. So there we go. It's a lot easier if you do that sometimes. I didn't anticipate it though. So yeah. And then at this point you'll want to put a spoonful of sugar in. There's only a spoonful left in there. So the only tiny bit, so I'll put all of that in. Yeah, that's nearly a spoon. Then you mix it. Now it usually fizzes at the spoon. Don't be worried, that's completely natural. It's how the lemon juice reacts to the sugar. So stir that and stir that and stir that until all the honey's come out, all the sugar's mixed in. I want to stir it quite hard. If you have ice, then you should put that in, but we don't at the moment, so I'm not going to, obviously. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped. Please remember to like and subscribe, and that is it for today. Goodbye.